I don't know. It's kind of embarrassing.
Why is it embarrassing?
She's the one who propositioned me.
Propositioned you for what?
She's the one who came on to me. I'm a guy. That's what guys do. I'm not the same man I was 10 years ago when I look in the mirror. To be honest, you're looking at a stranger.
Okay, so you're not the same man you were, so who are you?
Well, I'm a lot like the man I should have been all along. You're absolutely right, Doctor. In a million years, I would have never imagined myself hurting anyone or anything.
I don't think I can pay for them all, Agent Kelly. There are way too many of them. And you can only kill me once.
That's my only regret. Only killing you once. Forget you, man. I ain't telling you jack until my lawyer gets here. You all left me for dead. You don't have what it takes to be a firefly. I'll let you wonder about that.